Well, here we are. This is Cedar Lodge in Kalispell, or what's the name of this city?
This is Columbia Falls.
Oh, Columbia Falls. And this is what $220 a night gets you here because the park is so popular. Not much of a view, but the room is really pretty nice and clean. Have a safe, flat screen, microwave. I bet there's nothing in the mini fridge, is there? No.
Nope.
Mini fridge, closet, iron. Pretty standard room. Pretty standard room. Nice shower head. So, $220 a night. This is home for the next 4 or 5 nights. We're a little bummed out, I have to admit, because that is smoke, not rain. And it maybe will clear up by Wednesday or Thursday. The weather actually before we left said that it was supposed to be absolutely spectacular. Pristine blue skies. And we were just so excited. We get here and all the fires in California, Washington and Oregon, they're producing so much smoke that it's gotten into Montana. And it is what it is. So we're not gonna let it ruin our trip. We're gonna make the most of this. So here we are. We're gonna unpack, regroup, and then I think it's dinner time. I think I want a moose burger. What do you think?
Bison.
Huh?
You mean bison?
You want a bison burger?
I don't want no moose burger.
You want a bison burger?
Bison sounds good.
Okay. Anyway, guys, that's our room. So we'll catch up with you as soon as we get our buffalo burgers. I saw a dead one on the side of the road.
I don't want no dead burger or a bison.
Okay. Later. I like the color of the rocks in the water.
I see a rodent. An animal.
An animal? I'm an animal. I'm an animal. You want to go swimming? Guys, this water is so clear. It's blue and green. There's an animal. And the rocks, I don't know if this thing catches all the colors. Look at them down there. We're about to start the Avalanche trail hike. If we can find the trailhead.
Trail of Cedars, because they run camp. You start off in the Trail of Cedars, and then you'll end up at Avalanche Lake.
Okay. The water's so green. Wow. It looks so inviting, doesn't it?
It does.
I'd say the temperature's in the 40s,
Yeah, like 42.
42 degrees. But right here you can see some mountains here. Look at the peak on that thing. The sun's coming up pretty good now. I just hope we can get some beautiful blue sky. I hear a waterfall. I'm trying to get a photo. This is our first hike. Uh-oh. Got some food folks coming up behind us.
It is extremely busy today.
Yeah,
We should have got a way earlier start.
but this is a beautiful park.
It is. The water is like crystal blue. It's just gorgeous.
We've already been walking a couple of miles.
I think we're almost there.
Yeah, I think we might be. I know, isn't that cool?
Could you imagine the snow?
I know it. In probably less than a month,
Yeah,
there'll be snow here. Here's the lake.
no, that's not the good view of it.
No. Well, we made it to Avalanche Lake, and you can tell it would be beautiful. Even now, it's beautiful, but
The haze.
we're a little bummed out.
The water is just crystal blue. You can see it.
You know, the smoke's here, and it's supposed to basically be here the whole time we're here.
Yeah, unfortunately.
But we're going to soldier on and make the most of it. It actually got hot when we left this morning. It was 40, and we
Well, actually
layered up.
30, except when we left the lodge, it was 38 degrees.
Yeah, and now
It's probably in the 50s.
we got t-shirts on and we're still sweating, and the flies and the mosquitoes are coming out. Yep, there's mosquitoes flying around you. Get off me, fly. So what's next on the itinerary?
Well, we could go to the end if you want. If not, we can turn around and go back and do a little waterfall tours, hikes.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, we'll be back. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, we lost the trail about 4 hours ago. How far away do you think we are? 15, 20 miles from the road? We're starting to look for a place to camp. We're stranded. I'm just kidding.
Bear tracks back there.
Huge bear tracks?
Yeah. So
That was bear poop.
We have no bear spray, nothing.
We are kidding. We just stopped here on the trail for a little while because it was so peaceful. No one's around. You got it? Woo. Let's see what's around the bend.